Dun, 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 dun. How you like that? Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. How you like that? Da 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 da. Look at me now, look at you. Stop. Look at me now, look at you. I don't think he likes it. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted for a while, so I thought of making another video with Brownie. Are you tired now? Okay, welcome back again without Brownie. Yung dog namin is very impatient. So, malis na siya. And, so, that's it. Since it's the weekend and I'm in the mood to make a video, so I thought of just, why not make another unboxing video? I actually bought some sneakers last month, but I'm too lazy to make any unboxing of those. Like this one, Jordan 11 Concord Sketch. Recently my favorite. And New Balance. I used to buy this a lot, but I don't know why I stopped buying them. But since my favorite IU is endorsing these shoes, so I think I'm gonna buy them again. And another Jordan, the Concord bread, but I gave this as a gift to my sister. It was her birthday last Monday and she really likes this. So what are we going to unbox? I have here fresh Air Force One from Nike. I've seen these shoes online parang few months back, but they were not available in Hong Kong yet. Now they do have it here, so I purchased one because I'm really interested about these shoes. You know why? You know why?
Why?
Because I think this will be something fun. So here's the box, just a simple box, and it's the women's Air Force One US 6.5. That's my size. And inside, oh, it doesn't come in a tissue. It actually comes in a package like this. So let's read some of these instructions. It says here, be creative. Let it wear away over time. Try a wet sponge. Use your fingernails. And so don't use a lighter. And of course, don't cut the letter underneath. So from the name itself, you'll understand why it is called Air Force One Reveal. And some other countries, I think, they call it Tearaway. So Air Force One Tearaway. Let's open. Oh, the smell is really strong. It smells like chemicals. So you can see, these are just all white. It's like covered with white material. It's probably like a paper or a gauze. I'm not sure. But yep. And what do we have to do is we have to rip or tear each panel to reveal its color. So underneath these are colors, different colors. So what are we waiting for? Let's rip this baby. This is how it looks like after tearing away the white canvas from it. Each panel has a different color. There are two colorways for the shoes actually, and mine is with light blue, green, pink, a red swoosh, yellow, and I think this is more like melon orange. I did not remove everything on the tongue and heel area, just for style, and I kind of like the unfinished look of these sneakers. Well, it's really not easy to peel off everything, to be honest. I took a lot of time taking out all or most of the white stuff, because you really need to be careful, not to accidentally cut your leather underneath. So use a nice pair of scissors, cutter, scalpel, whatever, and use tweezers, I'm telling you, because your finger's gonna hurt. So there you have it. For those looking for a fun project during social distancing, I think this is the perfect purchase for you. So be creative and customize your own look on your pairs. Yeah? Yeah. The shoes. Yeah. I kind of like the unfinished vibe of this. If you're going to buy this, make sure you have a lot of patience doing this. Tapon ka na lang basura. That's it. Don't forget to like my video. Bye. How you like that? I'm full of